In 2007, young British man Michael Carroll won nearly $10 million in the lottery at the age of 19. He seemed set for life. Yet, despite his enormous windfall, Michael's wealth rapidly decreased. By 2013, he was bankrupt and looking for work as a coal miner. Michael's story serves as a warning for anyone who doesn't live within their means, regardless of their initial wealth. Excessive spending, inadequate budgeting, and a lack of funds for unforeseen expenses led to his financial downfall. Can you maintain a comfortable lifestyle with a modest income? Can average people successfully navigate the risks associated with investing in the stock market? The answer to these questions lies in one fundamental concept: financial literacy. Financial literacy empowers you to achieve financial stability and independence, regardless of your income level. You don't need a lottery win or a high salary to live a financially sound life. It's crucial to handle your money wisely and effectively. But how can you do that? Today, we'll discuss 5 key ways to master your money and unlock vital financial knowledge. This comprehensive guide to financial literacy will help you understand the importance of becoming financially literate. Are you ready to embark on your journey to financial mastery? The first and most crucial financial tip is to be aware of exactly how much you earn, including all sources of income. Many of us think we understand our income, but it goes beyond just your regular paycheck. Think of your income as your personal golden coin stream, filled not by luck, but by your hard work and skills. The first rule of the Financial Literacy Club is to know your income, because being aware of your income is like having a treasure map to your financial goals. It helps you maximize your current earnings. Let's look at Lisa's journey to understand her income. Lisa is your typical individual with big dreams. She knows that the first step toward achieving her goals is understanding her income sources. Lisa works at a thriving marketing company as a graphic designer. Her designs are not only beautiful but also effective, captivating clients and boosting sales. Lisa's boss recognizes her significant contributions and promotes her, making her the company's top designer. But Lisa is not only talented, she's also strategic. She understands that financial success involves more than just hard work. It requires smart money management. She starts exploring various income streams and begins freelancing on the side, creating websites and logos for small businesses. Lisa builds strong relationships with her clients, and they keep coming back to her. Her skills set her apart in the competitive graphic design industry. Remember the saying, it's not about how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. Lisa exemplifies this. She could simply spend her paycheck, but she chooses to invest, save, and budget wisely. She's achieving remarkable success in her financial journey. Now, imagine if Lisa took her passion for design and launched an online course teaching people how to create stunning logos using Photoshop and build brand identities. People start signing up for her classes, loving her clear and engaging teaching style. Lisa's courses generate a consistent income stream, even while she's asleep or spending time with friends. That's passive income, like a golden goose laying eggs for her every day. This is financial literacy at its finest. It's not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. So take a page from Lisa's book. Identify your skills, excel at them, and see how your income stream grows into a river or even an ocean. With enough knowledge, hard work, and a touch of creativity, you could become the next maestro of financial literacy, conducting your finances with ease and generating income effortlessly. The next aspect of financial literacy is understanding expenses, a topic everyone loves to hate. To master your finances, you need a budget that details your monthly expenses, and you need to stick to it. You know that money that seems to disappear from your wallet faster than a superhero in a hurry? We're talking about the money that vanishes as soon as your paycheck arrives. Let's break down expenses, also known as the necessary evil. Imagine your money is like snacks at a party. Expenses are the guests who consume those snacks. You want to be a good host, but if you let your guests eat all the snacks, you'll have nothing left for the next party. So, tracking your expenses is as crucial as a superhero monitoring the villain. What's the superhero tool we need for this mission? It's a budget. Budgets are like financial sidekicks, giving everyone a fighting chance at financial fitness. Let's look at another financial hero, Sam. Sam, a software engineer with a passion for cooking, earns $5,000 a month. But his magic spending number is $4,000. He has to pay rent, buy groceries, cover utilities, and purchase high-end cooking ingredients for his culinary experiments. Sam follows the first rule: keep fixed costs below income. That's like eating your vegetables before dessert. Nobody wants a dessert-only diet, and the same goes for expenses. Sam uses the 5-jar savings principle. This money concept divides his income into 5 categories: long-term savings, charity, essentials, short-term savings, and guilt-free spending. He allocates 20% of his income to essentials, covering groceries, rent, utilities, and other daily necessities. In his case, with a $5,000 monthly income, that's $1,000. 10% goes to charity. Sam believes in giving back, so he donates $500 each month to causes he cares about. Remember, the donation amount might seem small or significant to different people, but the true value lies in choosing a cause you believe in. Another 10% goes to long-term savings for retirement or major investments, like buying a house. Sam invests $500 in this jar each month. 10% is allocated to short-term savings for emergencies or unexpected expenses. Sam adds $500 to his emergency fund each month. Finally, 50% of his income is for guilt-free spending. This covers his gourmet cooking ingredients, dining out, entertainment, and maybe a few new kitchen gadgets. Sam allocates $2,500 to this jar. Sam knows that if he spends like there's no tomorrow, he'll end up in a financial mess. It's like a dog chasing its tail, not a pretty sight. If you don't stick to a budget, you'll constantly be playing catch-up, paying for yesterday's fun with today's money. It's like buying a jet ski on a whim. At first, it's all smiles, but when the bills start coming, that jet ski becomes an anchor dragging you down financially. These financial mistakes, caused by not having a budget, create a lot of stress. Budgeting might seem tough, but not having one is like trying to thread a needle while riding a roller coaster. There are always ups and downs, mostly downs. As financial guru John Maxwell says, a budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. And let's face it, nobody enjoys playing detective with their own bank account. By following his budget, Sam is soaring like Superman. He's making progress with every smart financial decision. He doesn't feel restricted by his budget. It gives him a sense of freedom. So expenses aren't the villains in our financial literacy story. They're just part of the narrative. By taking charge with a budget, we can all have a happy ending to our financial saga, living comfortably and worry-free. The next time you check your bank account, remember Sam, the budgeting superhero. You have the power to be the financial hero you were meant to be. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. It is important to conduct thorough research and consult with financial professionals before making any investment decisions. Need to keep your screen looking busy? Sign up for our free email newsletter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notifications for more Money Mindset Makeover content.